This.
That's a big splash.
There's quite a few caught in here, little fish. Wow, there's a lot of them. And this is cutting through the bush. Just stop for a second, so I might as well take a video. Look at them. Cool, right? Minnows. Pretty cool. So we had to walk like way up this trail to get to the very cool. It's not bad for rock either, but the beach was way better for rock. Way better. I recorded 20 minutes in my pocket also. All the nice grass. Oof, you could probably swim in here, but man, it'd be stinky. Look at that. Oh, gross. And that's algae. Bellicula algae. Honey. And here we are. Come on, honey. Some of them are still nice here. I mean, but I barely. Leaf banks. Very cool, very cool. Leaf banks. Okay, well, that's New Satsum. And then there was a trail there. We kind of went up that way. At least now I know for next time. We'll come down here, go up that way, and it's too far.